buddy?
I spaced out. I thought someone was behind me, so I went back and I went.
Okay.
God, I was the last guy.
Did you,
It was the forest gnomes.
The forest gnomes.
It was the little trolls. There's little trolls that run around here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Are they immigrants or native?
I think they're legal immigrants. They're original American. They're American trolls.
American trolls.
Yeah, North American trolls.
Are they related
They didn't
to
get
the
them from Europe or something.
I think they came over from somewhere around the Lord of the Rings.
They had to have been here for the trees and everything, right? So we'll go together. But they exist in a slightly altered frequency dimension than ours, so even though they're in the same space, you can't see them.
Right, but if you get in the right harmonic balance of writing,
I think so.
then they appear. Because you get on their frequency.
I always see like things out of the corner of my eyes up here.
That's cool. Don't be surprised if you don't see a bear. Bears are going to be out right now. Bears and mountain lions, yeah.
Oh, like this time of day, you mean?
Oh yeah, at nighttime especially.
Good, okay, this is the right spot.
Oh,
you know what this is?
There you go.
I believe this is from a... See if I blew a seal.
Where's that rope? You threw it.
It's over there. See it on there?
Yeah, that was wrapped around Tom's sprocket.
I got some sprockets pretty far down.
No, the sprocket is clean.
Now we ride.
The sprocket is clean. Now we ride.
Now it's the time on sprockets when we ride.
We are doing a 1,000-foot descent.
Do not touch my monkey.